Welcome to KP Medical Front official YouTube channel. I am the admin of KP Medical Front, Muazzam Saeed. In today's lecture, we will discuss various anatomical terms in relation to the upper limb and the lower limb. Anatomical terms used in relation to the upper limb. So this is a typical human body, and we are discussing various anatomical terms used in relation to the upper limb. This one is the right upper limb. The ventral or interior is the front aspect. This portion or this visible portion of the upper limb is called the ventral or interior aspect because it is in the front of the body. Let's come to the dorsal or the posterior aspect of the upper limb. Let's rotate it. So this one is the posterior aspect or the back aspect in some sense. This is called the posterior aspect of the upper limb. Okay, now let's discuss the medial border. This one is the right upper limb. The medial border of the upper limb or the right limb lies along the little finger. The middle finger medial border of the forearm and arm. This is called the medial border of the right arm or the upper limb. This is the little finger. So the medial border is along the medial side. This is close to the vertebral column or the median plane of the body. Now let's discuss the lateral border. The lateral border of the upper limb follows the thumb. This one is the thumb which I cut. This one is the thumb. Lateral border of the forearm and arm. So the lateral border of the upper limb is along the thumb. It is lateral from the median plane of the body. Now let's discuss the proximal part. The proximal part of the upper limb is close to the root of the limb. This one is the root of the limb, as a plant is attached to the main earth through the roots. Similarly, this upper limb is attached to the whole body through this region. This is called the proximal part or the root of the limb. The distal part. The distal part of the upper limb is away from the root or away from the joint through which the upper limb is attached to the main body. This one is the distal part. Okay, now let's discuss the palmar aspect. The palmar aspect is the front of the palm. This is the palm and it is the palmar aspect because the palm is in the front of the body. The dorsal aspect. The dorsal aspect of the upper limb. This one is the dorsal aspect because it is on the back side of the palm. The dorsal aspect of the hand is on the back of the palm. So this is the back of the palm and this is the dorsal aspect. The anatomical terms related to the lower limb will be discussed in the next lecture. Subscribe KP Medical Front for more videos. Thank you.